Hey there, beautiful souls. It's wonderful to see you all here today. Welcome back to Human Potential Hacks, your go-to channel for unlocking your true potential and living your best life. Today, let's dive into the world of mindfulness. So, what exactly is mindfulness, you might ask? Simply put, mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, without judgment. It's about embracing the now. It's about tuning into your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings, and experiencing them without getting overwhelmed. It's like giving your mind a gentle hug. Imagine sailing through a storm but feeling the calm within. That's the essence of mindfulness. That's the magic of mindfulness. It allows you to find peace amidst chaos. Now let's talk about the benefits of practicing mindfulness regularly. Practicing mindfulness regularly can do wonders for your mental health. It's like a mental spa day. It reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, helping you feel more balanced and at ease. It helps improve focus and concentration, making it easier to tackle tasks and stay productive. And it even boosts your emotional intelligence, allowing you to navigate relationships with greater empathy and understanding. But wait, there's more. Mindfulness can enhance your physical health too. It's not just for the mind. It can lower blood pressure, improve sleep, and boost your immune system, making you feel healthier and more vibrant. It's like an all-rounder for your well-being, touching every aspect of your life. So how do you practice mindfulness? Let's break it down into simple steps. Let me break it down for you in a way that's easy to follow. First, find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a cozy corner in your home or a peaceful spot in nature. Sit comfortably, whether on a chair or on the floor. The key is to be at ease. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently leaving your body. Focus on your breath as it flows in and out. Let it be your anchor. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. It's normal for thoughts to drift. Second, try a body scan. This is a great way to connect with your physical self. This involves mentally scanning your body from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. Be aware of how your body feels. Breathe into those areas and imagine releasing the tension with each exhale. Feel the stress melt away. Third, practice mindful observation. This can be a very grounding exercise. Pick an object, like a flower or a candle, and observe it closely. Notice every detail. Notice its colors, shapes, and textures without labeling or judging. Just see it as it is, in its pure form. Lastly, integrate mindfulness into daily activities. This is where the practice truly becomes a part of your life. Whether you're eating, walking, or washing dishes, be fully present in the moment. Engage all your senses. Notice the sensations, smells, and sounds around you. Let yourself be immersed in the experience. Remember, mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's a continuous practice. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Every moment is an opportunity to practice. Thank you for joining me on this mindfulness journey today. Your presence here means a lot. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to Human Potential Hacks. Stay mindful, stay beautiful. See you next time, and take care.